Great, so mindset. Let's talk a little bit about mindset, because that's a really interesting topic. Of 100 businesses I talk to, maybe 20% of those, this is the 80-20 Pareto's law, maybe 20% of those are likely coaching candidates. Their business is growing, they are of the mindset where they want to grow it further. They don't see paying the investment for coaching as a problem because they know it will reward their business. What happens in the other 80%? Why wouldn't you want somebody to help you grow your business without it costing you any money? Is the question I will generally ask. And the answer is varied. I'm not in the right frame of mind right now. I haven't got my business sorted, therefore a coach can't help me. Hang on, that's what you need a coach for. I know all the answers to all of the questions is a common one. I already know what I've got to do, and therefore I don't need any help with that. Okay. So why is your business doing the same this year as last year and the same as the year before that? There are lots of questions wrapped around that. Is your mindset around, you're running a scarcity mindset? So have you had a rough time? Has cash been really tight? And therefore you're always operating on the basis of no more expense, no more expense, no more expense. Business coaching is an investment, not an expense, because what you invest, you get back in terms of additional gross profit. An expense is where you spend something and you get nothing back for it. There is a return on investment in coaching, which is really, really key. So fundamentally, it's about having an open mind, willing to be coached. Being coachable is something we talk about a lot. So if I pick you up on something, how are you going to react? Are you going to react positively or negatively? I will always be brutally honest with you as my coachee, as I would expect you to be with me as the coach. So mindset is really important. And remember that what you say to yourself about yourself when you're by yourself is true. Self-talk and the people that you associate with are really going to set your mindset in a certain direction. Muhammad Ali, the greatest example of self-talk that you could ever wish to hear. I am the greatest. I am the greatest. He said it for long enough that he became the greatest, and he truly believed that that was the case. If you say, I'm not very good at that, or I'm useless at this, or I'm no good at networking, or whatever else it is, guess what? You're talking yourself into a situation where you aren't very good at those things. But equally, you can talk yourself out of those. So if you ask anybody that I know, they will tell you on a Monday morning, when I'm asked how I am, I say one thing: fabulous. Because that's my mindset. Do I feel fabulous on a Monday? Not necessarily. But when I say I'm fabulous and everybody laughs and smiles, guess what that does? That breeds positivity, both for me and for the team. So think about that. If you don't think that you need a coach, I would ask you a whole series of questions, starting with, so you don't want your business to grow and improve at the rate that it could improve with my help. That's quite surprising, isn't it?